Evaluate the extent to which religious beliefs shaped the development of the British North American colonies during the period from 1607 to 1700. Religious beliefs significantly shaped the development of British North American colonies by influencing colonial governments and encouraging greater religious diversity between 1607 and 1700. The historical context of the 17th century developments in colonial religion included England's Protestant Reformation, increasing religious conflict, and the establishment of permanent English colonies in North America, beginning with Jamestown in 1607. The historical significance of Puritan migration to New England was that many new settlers sought to establish communities based upon their religious ideals, while colonies, such as Maryland and Pennsylvania, later promoted greater religious tolerance. Throughout this period, historical change expanded religious diversity, while historical continuity remained in the importance of Christianity as a guiding force within colonial society. Religious beliefs profoundly shaped colonial development because they established religiously based governments and promoted increasing religious diversity. A, the creation of theocratic colonial governments, and B, the growth of religious tolerance through dissent. Religious beliefs directly influenced the political organization of several colonial governments. The Massachusetts Bay Colony, John Winthrop's City Upon a Hill, and the Antinomian Controversy demonstrate historical causation because Puritan religious ideals shaped colonial laws while revealing competing perspectives regarding religious authority. Because Puritan leaders believed the government should uphold God's covenant, colonial institutions had become closely connected to religion. And this had a political effect because religious beliefs determined laws, voting requirements, and social expectations. Religious dissent encouraged greater diversity and religious tolerance throughout the colonies. Roger Williams, the Maryland Toleration Act, and William Penn's Pennsylvania demonstrate historical causation because challenges to religious conformity promoted historical change, while reflecting competing perspectives concerning religious freedom. This had a social effect because dissenters established colonies that protected freedom of worship, religious pluralism expanded, and increased tolerance weakened the dominance of a single established church while encouraging more diverse colonial communities.